Welcome back to our channel release on Netflix. Let's start the video now. The TV series Fear the Walking Dead is a spin-off of its predecessor, the hit TV project The Walking Dead, which premiered in 2010. Unlike the unique film, Fear the Walking Dead follows a unique institution of survivors whose participants are continuously changing. The motion starts to spread in the interim of the upcoming demise of the Acquainted International and leads the target market into a brand new one, the sector of chaos and coming near demise. Despite the truth that the quantity of preserves plummets from season to season, the creators of the series Fear the Walking Dead do now no longer intend to shut the project. An awesome military of enthusiasts are expecting the sequel, however when it will be. Most likely yes, however there is no legit statement approximately about the date of it yet. If new episodes are released, then this may take vicinity and no advance than in autumn 2022, and we are expecting some news. Madison Clark alongside kids Nick and Alicia, in addition to her second husband Travis, locate themselves within inside the very epicenter of events. Nick tells his mom approximately about the uncommon hallucinations he noticed at the same time as Hai, but the state of affairs is such that Madison is pressured to test the information, and despite the fact that she becomes positive that her son becomes lying, his tale becomes to be true. Nick noticed his female friend seeking to devour him and searching him like a zombie at equal time. Also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates. From that day on, all around the city, the police commenced to hard place at folks that behaved strangely. Confusion commenced, humans have been close to their homes, however, it became now no longer secure there either. Someone devoted suicide and attacked others. A person wanted scientific assistance, however, in the long run, they died without expecting it. All the useless got here to existence and changed into predatory zombies. Inhibited, however, nonetheless deadly, traveling via the post-apocalyptic International, Madison misplaced her lover. Later, she needed to come to phrases with the lack of her best son, and quickly she herself needed to shop her institution, turning into a hostage of walkers whom she set on hard place on the stadium. The girl burned herself to guard her cherished ones. Thank you for watching the video till end. For more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates, please visit our website www.releaseonnetflix.com, and if you like our video, then hit the like button and share with your friends. Also, to stay updated, please subscribe to our channel Release on Netflix.